Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix power button not working problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. If power button or side button is not working for locking and unlocking your phone, then what will you do? You should first set some settings. Okay, go to the settings to your phone, then go to advanced features, and here select motions and gestures and turn on this button. Double tap to turn on the screen, then double tap to turn off the screen. So if you double tap to turn on screen, is if you have enabled these two options, you can easily use double tap to turn on screen or double tap to turn off the screen. Okay, so now screen is turned on, so I have to turn off screen. Usually I will use this power button. Just I will press one time this button, and screen will be turned off. Okay, but instead this button, if it is not working, I have enabled double tap options, and just double tap on empty screen in the home page, and phone screen will be turned off. Okay, so to turn on to wake up the screen, okay, to go to the screen, you will usually press this side button to go there. Okay, but instead just double tap over the turned off screen. Okay, now screen is wake up, and now swipe up, and you will be required to enter your pattern in case you set it yes. So in this way you can easily use alternative method instead of your power button. Okay, if power button is not working, you can use double tap to turn off the screen, and as well as double tap to turn on the screen. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.